Good afternoon, friends. This is Kristie with Kristie's Connections, bringing you another Kristie's Quick Deals video. In this one, we're going to do an amazing paper deal that you do not want to miss out on. Okay, now this morning I did add 45 new coupon matchups to my website. That is on kristiesconnections.com. When you get on there, you click the two lines in the corner, then scroll down to Dollar General Deals. Click that, and then scroll down to Dollar General Weekly Matchups. So close out ads if they happen to pop up, and there are your matchups. Now this is a rolling list that I put over on the website, meaning that the newest deals are at the top of the page. And if you scroll down even further, you will see older unexpired deals. So be sure to go check that out. Lots of good stuff over there. Okay, now let's get on to your Kristie's Quick Deals. First thing you're going to want to clip, or make sure you have added to your account, is this 3 off 15 back to school coupon. This did pop up in our accounts yesterday. It is not just for back to school, it's also for cleaning paper and lots of other fun stuff. So clip that. And then you also want to make sure you have clipped this $1 sparkle coupon. And also clip your 1 off 2 Clorox cleaning product coupon. So those are the 3 coupons you need clipped. Okay, once you're in store, you want to pick up this sparkle, pick a size, 6 equals 12 rolls paper towels. These are $6.95. You want to grab 2 of those. And the next thing you need is this Clorox Oxy Lemon. It needs to be the lemon. These are $1. You're going to find these in your Value Valley, like your dollar aisle. Do get the lemon scent. These are 10 ounces. They are $1 each. You need 2 of those as well. There are other products that work with our $1 off of 2 Clorox, but this was the one that I found that also works with that 3 off 15. So if you're trying to get something different or you can't find these, just make sure that you scan the product in store. Make sure that the 3 off 15 pops up as well as the $1 off of 2 digital coupons. Okay, gang, so here are the 4 products you need. 2 of the sparkle paper towels at $6.95 and 2 of the Clorox at $1 each. Let's do the math on that. Our subtotal is going to be $15.90. The 3 off 15 back to school digital will come off, making that $12.90. We have $2 in digitals, so we will pay out of pocket $10.90. Now, you're not done there. We're going to, after we purchase this at $10.90, we're going to go on over to IBOTTA. IBOTTA has this awesome $2 off of the 6-roll pick a size, limit 2, so you can only do this twice on the same receipt, but they gave us an awesome $2 rebate on these. If you do not have an IBOTTA account, pinned in the comment section of this video, there are 2 links. One explains how to use IBOTTA. It's a tutorial over on my website, and then also a link to join IBOTTA. So look for those in the comment section of this video. Alrighty, so after we submit our receipt to IBOTTA, it's for the $2 rebate. We're obviously going to get that 2 times because we bought 2 of the paper towels. So we will get $4 back from IBOTTA, making the final out of cost only $6.90 for all these products. I think that's an amazing deal and one that we should definitely look into doing this week. Alright, gang, and that is all I have for you in this video. I hope you found this helpful. I hope you liked this deal. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Hope you all are having a great day, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And I will talk to you on the next one. Thanks, guys.